I think they're done. Hello everybody, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. Today I have another cook with me video where I make something and hopefully it turns out and hopefully it tastes good, but I have no idea what it's gonna be like because I have not done this before, so this is going to be an experience for both of us. I want to make something with these rice cake things. What are them things? I wanted to make a dish using these rice cakes. These are Korean flattened rice cakes. It's called dak in Korean, and usually this is used for like a soup during Korean New Year. We make like a soup out of this rice cake, but I wanted to make kind of like a stir fry with rice cakes and some mushrooms and also some TVP, which is textured vegetable protein. So that's kind of like a ground beef substitute. So I kind of want to use it as like the meaty substance. I keep doing this. I need to stop doing this.
When people do this, I don't really know what that means.
But you know what I'm saying, okay? So let's wing it, shall we? We're gonna boil some of this. Actually, what should I do first? Once again, I have nothing prepared, so let me see if I can prepare some stuff first before I do this, okay?
A few moments later.
Say hi, Nicole. That's my roommate. Okay, so, I can't even think right now. I have here 300 grams of rice cakes, so we are going to cook this up. It's frozen at the moment, so I just want to put it into boiling water, I think. I don't really know, so let me just boil some water. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Once again, I don't read instructions. This is my problem. If I read instructions, my life would be easier, but I'm one of those people, you know, I'm just one of those people. Water in a wok. My roommate is making something on her Instapot. So I'm just gonna bring some water to a boil, just a little bit of water just to cook up some of the rice cake. And meanwhile, I'm just gonna chop up some mushrooms, people. I have here some oyster mushrooms. These are a bit expensive, so you can use whatever mushrooms you want. Well, I guess it depends on where you are in the world. I don't know if it's expensive everywhere, but it's kind of expensive here. And then I've got some regular white mushrooms. I love oyster mushrooms. They have like a really weirdly meaty and chewy consistency. And I also want to chop some of these white mushrooms. Water is boiling. I'm going to stick in the rice cakes for about 2 minutes, just until they've softened. Ooh, this is probably gonna be good for about 2 servings. All right, people, here are all the mushrooms chopped. Woohoo! And I think what I also want to do is add in some onions, because I like them onions. So I've got approximately half an onion. I'm just gonna add it all. Maybe I won't add it all. I think I'm just gonna add maybe approximately a third of an onion, you know? I just chopped it very roughly. You know how it is, guys. I feel like this angle's weird. How this angle? Okay, this angle better? I don't know. So we've got some onions chopped up, we've got some mushrooms chopped up. I also have my textured vegetable protein, and I actually also have some cauliflower, which I want to add into the mixture as well, because I just have some chopped up because I made some cauliflower wings earlier. Stuff is boiling. Let me just check on this. All right, you guys, I think they're done. So I'm gonna drain it, and I'm not gonna rinse it. I'm gonna keep in the starchiness, and then let's see what happens, okay? All right, guys, here comes the part where I don't really know what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna add in, oh God, okay. Stop that now. So I'm gonna add in maybe about, let's see, where be my, I'm gonna add in about a 1/4 cup of water for now. We have here some rice vinegar. Okay. This is where I wing everything. Let's start with a tablespoon of rice vinegar and a tablespoon of soy sauce and half a tablespoon of sesame oil. And before things get a little bit too wild, I'm going to add in the mushrooms and the onions. In hindsight, I probably should have stir-fried the onions first. Oh well, life goes on. So I have the heat on medium-low-ish, and we are just going to kind of mix that up. You know what, let's just throw everything in here. So I'm just gonna add maybe about a cup of cauliflower. And let's add a cup of TVP. Ooh. Okay. And we're also gonna add another half cup of water. Maybe a full cup. In hindsight, once again, I should have soaked the TVP first, possibly in some water first with the seasonings, but you know what? This might work out fine. We're just gonna have to add a little bit more water. So far we've added about a cup and 1/4 cup of water. What? 1 1/4 cup of water. Why can't I speak properly? Well, you know what? Anything with soy sauce and sesame oil is probably gonna taste good. But we're also gonna add in a little bit of garlic powder. Now I'm gonna say approximately a tablespoon, but I'm not going to measure. And maybe approximately a tablespoon of the maple syrup. The maple syrup, apparently. Not just maple syrup, the maple syrup. And mix that up. Okay, I'm regretting the TVP decision of just throwing it in here. I probably should have soaked it first. But you know what? You live and you learn, my friends. More water. Another cup of water. We're gonna make it soupy, apparently, because the TVP definitely needs to cook. You know what? Let's add 2 cups of water. And then we're gonna just bring it to a boil. Okay, we're gonna add 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce. So far we've added in 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, maybe about a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of maple syrup, oh, and then some sesame oil. I mean, should I cover this up? Okay, so since we're kind of doing whatever at the moment, I'm just gonna also, sorry, the lighting is, okay, the shadows. It's creating shadows. I'm just gonna add in a small amount of this gochugaru, which is Korean red chili pepper paste. Maybe about just a teaspoon. I feel like it's just gonna give it a really nice flavor. I'm just gonna, you know what, use my hands. This stuff is spicy, people. It's spicy. Not for the faint-hearted. It's not that spicy. Okay. Hi! Are you here to interrupt my video?
Yes. How's my hair looking?
Like shit. That's Eric, everyone. You wanna introduce yourself?
Hi, fans.
Who are you, Eric?
I'm Rose's BFF.
Ah, okay. Sure. Sure. That is the story. Something is fucking missing. Yo. This is not, once again, this is not what I envisioned. Now I think I added too much water. What's missing? More garlic powder. Maybe another tablespoon of rice vinegar. Let's try. And a little bit more gochugaru. Sesame oil. I may have another fail situation. Well, let's try it. I'm sure it tastes fine. Like, it tastes fine to me, but it's not like amazing. You know what I mean? I mean, it looks like shit. But sometimes like shitty looking things still taste good. Okay, let's go back to the light. Come on, light. All right, so. Okay, it's not bad. It might be just lacking a little bit of flavor. Let me see if I can adjust something. What's it missing? I added a little bit more soy sauce. It's definitely good. It's just not like amazing. Damn it. This is probably why I should follow recipes. Or like actually have a plan before going into something. Okay. It's actually pretty good. I think honestly the only thing I need to do is just adjust the seasonings to add a little bit more soy sauce. I think it's pretty good. You know what's growing on me? I wish I had sriracha, but I don't. Okay. I mean, it could definitely be better. I could definitely work on this, but it ain't bad. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it. This is actually pretty good. It tastes pretty good. It's just not like, you know, best thing I've ever eaten in my life. Rice cakes in general are delicious. Mushrooms are delicious. So, I mean, you really just can't go wrong. I think I'm just gonna play around with the flavors a little bit. I feel like it's almost like one of those things that's gonna taste better the next day. Generally find that things like rice cake dishes actually sometimes taste better the next day because the starches, I don't know, something to do with the starches. I don't even know, but that's pretty good though. I have a guest once again. He's back.
Trying to look a little bit better for the camera.
You really don't. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Eric, do you want to tell them to subscribe to my channel?
Yeah, definitely. Subscribe to Cheap Vegan channel.
Cheap, oh my god!
Cheap Lazy Vegan. Subscribe, everyone.
Friends off. Anyways, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And Eric's just ruining my shot. Go away. Give me 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. I need to like.
Okay.
Damn it, Eric. Is it not done?
I don't know.
You don't know how to open it?
I canceled it.
WTF. Wait, it must say. Ow! Anyways, I'm gonna go because I'm being disturbed, but I'm gonna go eat this. Hope you guys enjoyed this cook with me taste test video. Oh my god! What'd you do? Can you ask Nicole?
Yeah.
Like, things are happening in this household. But anyways, I need to eat and get like, I just need to, anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, now I need to make a thumbnail. This is a mess of a video. You people.